got me high above, like the sun by the moon, he's a star. Baby, I'm lighting up, like a fool, it's true, it's true. He's making me blow my mind and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all, I'm being honest. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Can't so long, side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do, my love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh, my love, my love, my love.
If you've been seriously drinking celery juice first thing in the morning, or if you've been drinking celery juice for some time, this video is for you. If, however, this is your start, it might not be as beneficial because this video is mainly made for those that have drank celery juice, know the benefits of celery juicing, and want to continue with this, but they feel symptoms that they're not happy with. Let's talk about drinking celery juice on a daily basis and feeling some of the symptoms we do and how we can minimize that together. How gorgeous is this morning, you guys? It's so beautiful. I love this. But okay, we're not here to enjoy the morning sun and the birds. We are here to talk about celery juice. So let's go. Let's talk about some of the symptoms that we experience when we drink celery juice for a long time. Number one, you have to understand that if you just started your celery juice journey, then you will experience bloating, you will experience gas, you will experience diarrhea at some point, you will experience fatigue the first few weeks only, you will experience dry or loose stool. This is totally normal and all are a process of detox. But I'm not going to go and talk about the benefits and the kind of pros and cons of celery juicing because I have 2 videos that I made on those topics and I don't want to repeat myself for those of you that have watched those videos already. If you haven't watched about my journey of drinking celery juice for 2 years, why I quit celery juice for after 2 years, and why I started again, then I suggest you watch the videos that will be linked below or that will start right after this this video. In this video, I only want to talk about long-term celery juice and some of the things that were shocking that I found out for myself. In my last video to you guys, I said that I am quitting the 2-year journey mainly due to the gas that I started experiencing all the time. I had felt gas after drinking celery juice every single morning, and I wasn't comfortable about that. And so I understood that something has to give. When I came back on celery juice and I started doing it, as you know from some of my videos, day with celery juice, day without, day with celery juice, day without, as opposed to every single day, I was shocked to find out that it is not celery juice that's causing the gas. And hold on, stay tuned. It is the kind of celery juice you buy. And this is shocking to me because for the 2 years that I've been on celery juice journey, I was buying organic celery juice from different produces. It didn't matter to me where it came from as long as it was organic. I never really gave it a thought because I don't think I understood that organic is like one organic celery stalk is different from another organic celery stalk, and I'll explain to you why. If you dive deep into the organic industry, you could buy, for example, celery for an organic farm that sells non-organic produce as well. And if that's the case, if you've got a farmer who has organic produce right side of the field, non-organic produce left side of the field, you will still get non-organic celery at the end, because you will get some of the chemicals that come from the field through the rain, through the water, and through the soil from the field that's selling non-organic. And so I want to raise the subject and make you understand that organic produce is not all the same. And this may be shocking to some of you. It was shocking to me because I assumed organic is good, no pesticides, no nothing, let's go for it. Never really gave it a thought. And then there are organic farmers that are very, very diligent and honest. And so when they are selling organic produce, their field is only for organic produce. And the way they have it done is, I think you have to have a certain amount of like acres around the field so that you don't get any of the chemicals through the soil. And so I never really believed in this theory until now when I experienced it on my own. I started buying, and this is by fluke, I started buying celery from Whole Foods, and they, as you know, Whole Foods stands by their filter of like produce. They don't allow a lot of chemicals on. They don't allow produce with natural flavors. They're trying to be as diligent as they can from the big retailer superstores that I know of. So because one is very near our house, we keep shopping there, and I started buying all my celery from Whole Foods. And honestly, it was just a miracle for me, because the first time in my life for the last 2 years, I've been drinking celery every single day, doing absolutely the same, everything that I've been doing, and I have no gas, no diarrhea, no nothing. And then I started digging deep into this whole celery organic farmers business, and it turns out that just depends on where they buy. And so Whole Foods, it says organic grown in USA. I believe it's California, but I don't know for sure. I know that it's USA. I don't know who is their farmer. I'm yet to find that out, because I reached out to them and I'm trying to figure out who the farmer is, because they're just so amazing. I just want to like applaud them for solving this problem for me. I have a lot of benefits from celery juicing, and I'm not going to go into them because most of you know it, and most of you watched my videos on my Heart Talk about celery juicing and how much I enjoy it and how many things I cured with celery juice. It is not a hype. This is a real thing. I don't even know why people say it's a hype. The only reason I would think people say it's a hype is because they haven't done it long enough to experience the benefits, because it takes a while for you to detox and then experience the benefits. However, in this video, I just want you to know that if you're experiencing bloating, gas, or diarrhea, and you're not happy with it, and it's been, listen to me very carefully, it's been 3 to 4 weeks since you are on celery juicing, because the first 3 to 4 weeks doesn't count. You will experience detox anyway, so don't assume that this will fix your problem. But if you're on celery for the last 4 weeks, whether it's every day, not every day, you know, day after day, 3 times a week, 4 times a week, whatever it is, I'm assuming that after a month, your first vigorous detox is over. Now you really have to find your celery. So literally, start going to one store and buying celery there, hopefully organic, and then see how you feel. Next week, change your organic celery to a different brand. Next week, change your organic celery to a different brand, and find yours, the one that does not make you have diarrhea or bloating or any of those symptoms. Because right now, I can confidently tell you it's been 2 years and some months. And just maybe 2 weeks ago, I was buying the same celery from any store. I think it was Trader Joe, and it's just I felt all those same symptoms. So it's not that I went through all my detox, guys. Don't start, because I know we're gonna get one of those people in the comments saying, oh, you just did it long enough. No, guys, I didn't. It has nothing to do with doing it long enough. It has something to do with finding your celery from your particular farmer that goes well with you. I don't know how else to put it. I don't know if maybe some are just better farmers, or I don't know. I'm not gonna dive deep because I don't see a point. Just find out if Walmart sells this kind of celery brand, Trader Joe sells this one, Target sells this one. Just try them week by week and see which celery you feel good with, because you will find a brand of celery, organic celery, that will not give you anything. Just like if you were to drink water, it would only give you the benefits, and that is the most important, right? So I just wanted to stress that out for all of you that are serious about celery juice, for all of you that do want to do this and just do it long term and enjoy the benefits, but you're still having some gas or diarrhea or whatever things that are negative that are coming from celery. Just know that you could fix this by just changing the celery brand. And that is very, very important. I know for some of you it'll be a breakthrough, because I was not a happy camper for the last year. I was trying to figure out what's going on and why I have this. And the answer was so simple. I just needed to find the celery, from farmers that are doing a good job on actually getting an organic, non-chemical celery, which is what I have now. And it's been amazing. I cannot tell you how happy I am. So find your celery, guys. That's my 2 cents for today. I hope you enjoyed your video. If you did, please subscribe. It means the world to me. What can I say? Sending you positive vibes, you guys. Stay healthy, stay active, love life, and wherever you are, this shall pass as well. So remember that nothing stays the same. Everything passes. You're happy today, you're not happy tomorrow. Don't be too happy when you're happy. Don't be too sad when you're sad. Enjoy life the way it is. I'll see you tomorrow. I thought I'd add this to the portion of this video showing you what my organic celery looks like. The one that I get from Whole Foods. It's just like this. All it says is organically grown produce of USA. Guys, if you find this in Whole Foods, buy it, because it is by far one of the best, if not the best, because I've only experienced good things with this. No drawbacks, no diarrheas, no gas. So this is the stuff. And I'm yet to find out where this is from. When I will find out where this is from or who the farmer is, I'll let you on that secret, because that's interesting to find out where this precious celery is coming from, that it's so good for you and it's got nothing but the good stuff in it.
He's making me jump from high ground, keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe and sound, safe and sound. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Dance alongside by